for our next video. But with that being said, you guys already know what I'm going to be doing and talking about today. So let's hop into the next clip. So guys, basically, I'm going to show you guys how to get your synthetic hair like this because, honey, mine was just all nappy and it was just not working. You guys see how nice this looks? Like, hold on. Like, did I really just do this right now? Like, yes, y'all, I just did this. So, if you want to know how to get your synthetic hair, how I got mine, just keep watching this video. And also, guys, you might see two different clips because I did 2 different days for this hairstyle just because I had to let this hair dry and I did not want to add heat to it so that it air dry. And it has dried basically overnight. So I hope you guys enjoy. And yeah, guys. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys. Okay guys, so it's the next day and this is how my hair came out. It looks just like I just bought this hair. So I really recommend, if you guys want to like bring your synthetic hair back to life, I recommend doing something like this. It was really easy and really fast, but I love the results. But I don't like the ends so much, so I'm going to trim the ends just to get that excess, like basically like dry ends, if that makes sense. I'm just going to cut a little bit off. This is how they look, and I'm super excited because like I wasn't like really good, but it actually looks really, really good, guys. If you guys can see, it looks really good. And if this video was helpful, let me know in the comments down below. And also, subscribe to your girl channel, because I will be back with more videos. But with that being said, guys, this is basically how you bring your synthetic hair back to life. Hope you enjoyed. And yeah, guys, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my video. Bye, guys.